The Ducati 750 Supersport is back, and it's bringing a perfect blend of heritage, performance, and Italian style. Inspired by one of Ducati's most iconic motorcycles, this new model aims to capture the spirit of classic sport riding while delivering modern technology and everyday usability. Stunning retro-inspired design. At first glance, the new Ducati 750 Supersport pays tribute to its legendary predecessor. The sleek fairing, sculpted fuel tank, and sporty riding position create a timeless look. Modern LED lighting and premium finishes give the bike a fresh and sophisticated appearance without losing its vintage charm. Engine and performance. Powering the new 750 Supersport is a refined twin-cylinder engine designed to offer strong mid-range torque and exciting acceleration. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the bike delivers smooth power and a thrilling riding experience that Ducati enthusiasts expect. Advanced technology, despite its classic styling. The new 750 Supersport comes packed with modern features. Riders can enjoy multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and a fully digital instrument display. These technologies enhance safety and confidence while maintaining the bike's sporty character. Comfort and handling. Ducati is focused on making the 750 Supersport both fun and comfortable. The lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and ergonomic seating position provide excellent control during spirited rides while remaining practical for daily commuting and longer journeys. Who is it for? The new Ducati 750 Supersport is ideal for riders who appreciate classic motorcycle design but want modern reliability and performance. It's a bike that appeals to both longtime Ducati fans and newcomers looking for a stylish and engaging sport motorcycle. Final thoughts. The return of the Ducati 750 Super Sport proves that classic motorcycles never go out of style. With its beautiful design, exciting performance, and modern technology, this machine successfully bridges the gap between Ducati's legendary past and its innovative future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.